Hello everyone, welcome to another episode of Northfield Junction. Firstly, I want to apologise for being a bit negligent this week. I did originally commit to getting a video out every Monday. That hasn't happened this week for various reasons, and it probably won't happen every single Monday. My plan is Monday, and I will always aim for Monday, but it won't always necessarily always be Monday. So, apology out the way. Now to give you an update as to where we've got so far. So, as you can see, since the last video where we just had the cork down, we've progressed to having some track laid. Actually, in between time we had a track plan video, beg your pardon. So, following on from the track plan video and the cork laying video, this is where we've got to so far. So, I'll give you a quick overview of what we've been up to. Let me just nudge the camera down a shade. So, we've put these 3 points in, all Electrofrog. 2 of them have at the moment got CPM on point motors. I've been having an absolute nightmare with these point motors over the last few days. That's one of the reasons I haven't been able to produce a video, because I've spent so long trying to get them working. I've tried one transformer, I've tried another transformer, I switched for another transformer, I had an old laptop transformer at one stage, and it just I don't know why it wouldn't work. This morning, before recording this video, these 2 points actually now work. I don't know why. They were so sluggish yesterday and the day before, they would barely even move. All I've done differently this morning is this transformer I've used, this old, just focus the camera, this old Hornby AC adapter. This is the one I've always used. I thought to myself, the wires on the end of that look a bit tatty, a bit dirty, so I cut the end off, stripped them again, put them back into my excuse me, put them back into my CDU, and it works. Was that the reason? I've no idea, but that's what we're going with. So back to the update. So for those of you who've seen the track plan, this is the start of the phase 1, so the blue oval of track that goes around with the associated points. That part will not be done until phase 2 and 3, so the yellow and the red, for those of you who remember the track plan. Dropper wires have been added underneath the board, and if you'll excuse the rattling camera a moment, I'll just give you a quick look at that. Not that that's especially exciting, but there's the nest of cables, there's the seat point motors, there goes my bus wire underneath. I toyed with a couple of different ideas about what to use for the dropper wires. Settled on an old system I once used I wasn't keen on to begin with, and that was the suitcase connectors, as I think they're called. So that's what we're going to go with for the time being. Seems to work well. I've had a couple of test runs with the Loco I've got, and all seems to be working fine so far. So the next part of the process, in order to get the track running continuously, is obviously to finish the loop, which I've not done yet, and to get the frogs wired up on these point motors. The points do work, as I say, albeit temporarily. I will be making a switch panel at some stage, a control panel for the points, but at the minute they just run manually by touching the brown wire, this brown wire, if you can see it, just touching that onto these terminals I've got just at the side here, that eventually, just there, that eventually the switches will be attached to, excuse me, having trouble speaking today. The switches will be attached to those eventually when the control panel's built, but for the time being, as I say, it's just a case of touching that live wire onto either terminal to make the point switch, so we've got working points. And that's it for the time being. So hopefully next time when you see another video, it will be an actual hands-on video of me actually doing something rather than me just showing you what I've done. That's my plan for my videos, but at the very least I want to get an update video out like this so you can see where I've got to. All that's left to say is the usual, and that is please like this video if you can. It helps me boost the channel. Write a comment, please. Any comment, say you've watched it, say you've liked it. Anything you dislike, anything you think I should have done differently, any suggestions, please. I'd love to hear, especially regarding point motors. And last but not least, please don't forget to subscribe. And that's all. Take care for now, and I'll see you next time. Bye bye.